Hi, I'm Marcia Smart from Smart in the Kitchen. Today I'm in the Beef It's What's for Dinner Culinary Center, and I'm going to show you some of my favorite tips and tricks for how to cook beef at home. This Brunch Beef Strata is a great thing to make for the holidays because you can do one of two things. To make your life easier in the morning, you could either prep everything ahead of time, have it measured and ready to go, or you could put together the entire dish, cover it, put it in the refrigerator, and then bake it off the next morning. This is such a great recipe to feed a crowd. We have all of our ground beef cooked. I'm gonna take it out of the pan and set it aside. We're gonna warm up our olive oil in our pan. I'm moving my heat back to medium. Okay, we've added our onions. I'm gonna add the mushroom, and these are gonna cook way down. They'll soften, the onions will be golden, really let out those like sugars and caramelize the onions, which add really good flavor. I'm gonna add the milk and the eggs to a bowl. I'm gonna give this a whisk just to break up the eggs, get everything incorporated. As soon as your mushrooms start to soften, you can add the beef back to the pan. And then we're adding some dried thyme. All right, I'm gonna give this a stir, let everything kind of incorporate and come together. And then I'm turning my heat to low. Okay, after this is whisked together, you can go ahead and add your salt and pepper. All you have to do is layer your bread in the bottom. This is gonna soak up all of that egg mixture. The drier it is, the more it soaks up all the flavor from the eggs and the milk. I'm adding half of our beef mixture, and then we're gonna add our egg mixture. So just half of this, you want it to soak into the bread, and then we do it again. So the rest of your bread, add the rest of the cheese. We're gonna add the rest of our meat. Now I'm gonna add the rest of our egg mixture, and we're good to go. Take your spoon and kind of tuck everything in, but now it is ready to go in the oven. Okay, once this comes out of the oven, you just wanna top it with some cherry tomatoes for some color. We're gonna add some basil cut in a chiffonade, which is just long strands, ribbon-like strands of basil. Okay, we're gonna give this a taste. It looks delicious. Yum, creamy from the cheese. We have a little bit of basil. It's so good. I hope you guys will try this. I'm having another bite. If you're looking for more beef tips and tricks for cooking beef at home, head to beefitswhatsfordinner.com.